Dude, I'm telling you, this is not gonna work.
This is totally gonna work.
It's gonna take someone's head off.
Why would this take someone's head off? It's fucking fine.
Just wait for Simon, he's bringing the pizza cutter.
Fucking fine. You're being dramatic. There's nothing wrong with what we're doing here.
Just wait for Simon, he has the pizza cutter.
We don't even need the pizza cutter. We have a circ saw. Like, why would the pizza cutter be in it? Like,
It's gonna ruin the pizza!
I'm gonna get another battery for the circ saw.
Yeah. Simon!
Sorry, dude. Subway was really fucking slow this morning.
Should have taken the Citibike.
That would have been worse. My route is really long, and I'd be here later and sweatier.
What if you could ride your Citibike on the subway tracks?
On the tracks.
Use the tracks.
That could be $1 million idea.
Where's the pizza cutter?
Don't have it. Is this blood? Yeah, or maybe it's tomato sauce from the saw. The New York City subway is a fucking nightmare. It's like the city's biggest middle finger to commuters. The whole system is a clusterfuck of non-functioning escalators, broken air conditioning, and constant track work that never seems to actually fix anything. It's a daily test of patience and sanity, and it fucking sucks. Back in high school, when I was riding the super sketchy bomb of a skateboard I built, I wanted to make an adapter to ride it on the subway tracks. Looking back, I don't really know why I didn't do that. Like, I should have, and so we're doing it now. Here's the concept, right? We got 4 wheels, and then this axle in the center has like a friction transfer device that we will attach a Citibike to. I'm an artist. And then you will be able to sit on the Citibike and ride the subway. I guess actually it'll be more like ride the subway, because the transfer will be backwards. Yeah, that's it. That's the whole concept. Like, this build is probably gonna take us 20 minutes, if that. And to those of you asking, is this legal? Is this safe? The founding fathers of our country, oh, good. Oh my God. We're here at an undisclosed location. It's Costco. We're at Costco. We're like directly in view of everyone that comes off the BQE to go to Costco. But I feel good about this, except for that. Guess I feel bad about that. Why is it stuck?
It's bending like insane. That's quite bent now. Well, it almost sounds like this wasn't a great idea, you guys.
This pains me. I wanted to take this on the N train. No, I can't let it go. Push me.
I'll push you.
Push me. All right.
Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Okay, dude, you're gonna get off the track. Stop, 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 stop!